Okay, grade 8. This is question 13 in your long answer review package. So it says the perimeter of a triangle is 44 centimeters. So that's going to be important because we have to make our equation equal to this. The sides are respectively x plus 4, 2x minus 1, and 3x minus 7 centimeters. So they've drawn that for us. We have to figure out what is the actual side length of each piece. So we are going to add these up because perimeter means add up all the sides. We're going to make it equal to 44 centimeters and we're going to solve for x and then plug it back into each of the sides. Okay, so I'm going to add up all my pieces. X plus 4 plus 2x minus 1 plus 3x minus 7. Let's move it over so you can see. Is going to be equal to 44. Because I'm doing an addition, these brackets don't really matter, so you can take them off if you want to. If you were subtracting, though, you would have to distribute the negative into each one of the brackets, okay? So I'm going to start off by doing combining like terms. So I have x plus 2x plus 3x. So those are here. This one, 2x, 3x. And then you're going to put together the numbers that are there. So I have plus 4 minus 1, and minus 7, still equal to 44. So I'm going to combine both. So I have 6x here. So x plus 2x plus 3x would give you 6x when you put them together. Then you have positive 4 minus 1 minus 7. So that should come out to 6x minus 4 is equal to 44. So now this is really looking like something we're able to solve now that we've combined everything. So what we're going to do is we are going to bring the 4 to the other side. So it becomes positive 4. Goes away. I'm left with 6x equals 48. Now I can divide both sides by 6 to get x alone. And my x is going to be equal to 8. So it's important to remember that when you solve for your x, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the answer. We have to actually go back and figure out what each of the side lengths were. So I'm going to plug 8 into each of these 3 sides to figure out what it is. So the first one was x plus 4. So side 1, I'm going to say instead of x plus 4, I'm going to write 8 plus 4, which is 12. Side 2, I'll do this one. So it's 2x, so 2, and instead of where the x is, I'm going to put 8 minus 1. So that's 2 times 8 is 16 minus 1. So this second side would be 15. The last one, the third side, was 3 times x, so 3 times 8 minus 7. So 3 times 8 is 24. Minus 7, if you calculate that, you're going to get 17. So my 3 side lengths were 12, 15, and 17.